In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Shopify platform to manage your store's tax settings effectively. Starting from your Shopify admin page, we'll work our way through the settings to ensure your sales tax is correctly included in your product pricing and shipping rates. This process is crucial for maintaining transparency with your customers and ensuring compliance with tax regulations. Let's begin by heading over to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, look towards the lower left-hand corner of the screen for the Settings button. Clicking Settings will reveal a menu with various options to customize your store's operations. From this menu, you'll want to select Taxes and Duties. This will take you to a page specifically designed for managing how taxes are applied to your products and shipping fees. Now, once you're on the Taxes and Duties page, find the option that says Include Sales Tax in Product Price and Shipping Rate. This setting allows you to incorporate sales tax directly into the prices your customers see. It's particularly beneficial if you aim to provide a seamless shopping experience, as customers will not be surprised by additional fees at checkout. Click on this option to enable it. Repeat this step for both product pricing and shipping rates to ensure consistency. By doing so, customers who shop from different regions don't have to deal with unexpected tax additions to their total. This transparency builds trust and can improve customer satisfaction and potentially increase conversion rates. Once you've adjusted the tax settings, you can verify the changes by going back to the main Taxes and Duties page. Ensure that everything reflects accurately, and remember, these settings are critical for compliance with local and international tax laws, so double-checking is always a good practice. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your Shopify store settings to include sales tax in your product pricing and shipping rates. This small adjustment can greatly enhance your customers' shopping experience by making pricing transparent and straightforward. If you have any further questions, remember Shopify offers comprehensive support documentation and customer service to assist you. It's also worthwhile to keep an eye on tax regulations both in your country and internationally, as these can change and impact how you should configure your store's tax settings. Thank you for watching, and let's keep building that store you're proud of. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.